So what is up guys, welcome to HT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you the specifications, the pricing and the launch date of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 device. So guys, I have already made a video completely dedicated to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So if you are not yet check it out, go ahead and check it out. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing regarding the Redmi Note 9. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me tell you the overall specifications of this device. You're getting a 4GB RAM as a base option, then you can expand it up to 6GB and 8GB of RAM. The processor you're getting with this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor. The rear camera is a quad camera setup. At the back you will find 4 cameras. The main camera is of 48 megapixel followed by a 8 megapixel camera and two 2 megapixel cameras. So now let me come to the front camera of the Redmi Note 9. This is a 13 megapixel. Yes guys, 13 megapixel front camera. With the Redmi Note 9 Pro you're getting a 32 megapixel front camera, but according to this few specifications, the Redmi Note 9 is going to be getting a 13 megapixel camera. And now let me come to the battery capacity. Well, the Redmi Note 9 is expected to come with 4100 milliamp hours battery, and the screen size is expected to be somewhere around 6.4 inches to 6.5 inches, but few sources are confirming that the display is going to be of 6.4 inches. So now let me come to the launch date of this device. Well guys, first of all, I have said in my earlier video that the Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be launching in the first quarter of 2020. First quarter means that March or April of 2020, and according to few analysts and according to few sources, it is confirmed that the Xiaomi might launch these both devices on March 12th 2020. Yes guys, supposedly in month of March this both devices are coming, and that too on 12th of March it is expected to come. Now let me tell about the Android version it is going to be shipping. Well, it is going to be shipping with the Android version 9 Pie, and the same is going to be like dual SIM GSM plus another also GSM. So this is everything you need to know regarding the Redmi Note 9 device. So guys, well, we might be knowing everything about this device, but there is one sector which we are lacking, and that is the display type. Well guys, few sources tell that this is going to be having the teardrop notch, whereas few sources say that it is going to be having a pop-up camera mechanism. So again, my suggestion is like the pop-up camera mechanism will be with the Pro series, and with the standard Redmi Note 9 you're going to be getting a teardrop notch. And let's see what Redmi has in store for us. But again, if all of the specifications will come true indeed in March, this will be a definite hit. And also in March the iPhone SE2 is also coming. So let's see which is going to be the best ultimate competitor, because iPhone SE2 is also expected to be a very budget friendly iPhone. So guys, this is everything we know regarding the Redmi Note 9 device, and let's see what Xiaomi has in store for us. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, if you'll subscribe to our channel, you will never miss any updates regarding both of these ecosystems, let that be Android or iOS. Then consider subscribing to our channel, and if this video has been helpful, then give this video a like, as a like definitely motivates me a lot. So guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.